Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. So I have a few items from Joann, Amazon, and HSN. So let's get started. So from Joann, I picked up this Garden Party 40-piece ephemera pack. Everybody's seen this, everybody's hauling it. So I thought I'd get the ephemera. I didn't really care for the paper, all of the paper, so I did get some individual sheets that I shared in an earlier haul video. But this is the ephemera, and I like that it has the flowers and some of the other pieces in there. The little fox is adorable. So that's that. And then I picked up also from the Garden Party collection this 304-piece sticker packet, and I think I'll use these for my planner. So these will last me a long time to get through all of these, but it has all of the different items from some of the paper, and it's just really pretty. I never use the alphabets in these sticker packs, but maybe I'll use some of these little words. They're so small, and then it's not. So you get 8 sheets. And then I picked up from Maggie Holmes the Marigold paper pad. I didn't have this paper pad. I don't know how I missed it, but it has 24 sheets, and this paper is really pretty. It has some cut aparts, but I really like this paper pad a lot. The bees, I'm just so in love with bees for some reason this year. But I think this paper is really pretty, and I'm going to enjoy making cards with it. So that's from the Marigold collection. And then I picked up the 286-piece stickers from Paige Evans, and I think this is the Wonders collection. And just some really unique stickers in here. It's got some words, the light kind of has them there, but just really pretty. And some of these I may use on cards, or just most likely in my planner. Once again, we got the alphabet stickers. Maybe I'll try to use those. And then I also picked up the paper pad. It's 36 sheets. And it's single-sided. Sometimes I like the single-sided because then you don't have to worry about, if you like, a design on the other side. But look at this. It's so pretty. It's kind of Moroccan looking. And then it has goil foiling. I really like that green. Just really pretty paper. And I did pick up a few of these 12 by 12 sheets. I really like that one. That's really pretty. It's kind of has an ombre look. Just really unique. And this is gold foiling. It's kind of hard to say. Gold foil. Gold foil. This is beautiful. Yeah. Just stripes, really like this. Another paper pad that I like a lot. Look at those polka dots, gold polka dots, and it's still a little ombre. Purple, nice. Butterflies, super popular. So that's Paige Evans, and it's the Wonders collection. So then I ordered from HSN this paper by Anna Griffin. It's the matte foil cardstock 2, and you get 5 colors, so 12 sheets each. I meant to die cut something for you, but I'm sorry. I forgot to do it and started the video anyway. But you have gold and this really pretty purple, and then this, it's not coming out, it's kind of not really red, but like, I don't know. And then silver, and then rose gold. So can't wait to use this. It's super thick cardstock. Great. It's going to be great for die cuts. And then last but not least, from Amazon, I picked up some vintage Post-it stamps. And let me pull them over here. So it comes in this little pouch here, and it's 270 something. And I thought they were actual stamps, but they're not actually true stamps. They're like productions, and they're on this super thick paper. But they seem to be very nice. Different designs. I think this whole little pack is some mushrooms. Or yeah, they're all different kind of mushrooms. Look at that. Super cute. And then this pack is like buildings and different things. Super cute. And then this one looks like it's like outer space or planets and things like that. And then this is like botanical with plants and butterflies. And look at that one. That's pretty. And this is, I think, botanical too. So this was from Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little giveaway. So the first 3 people who let me know below, if you're a subscriber, just let me know that you want some stamps. I'm just going to say the first 3 people that comment that they would like a few of the stamps. I am willing to share some. So if you're interested, let me know below, comment below, be a subscriber, and let me know you want a few stamps. And it's the first 3 subscribers. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.